Hey everyone, Julie here with Griot's Garage, and I'm excited to introduce you to Wash and Wax, part of our all-new adventure line. Now, if you've ever washed an RV or boat, you know that's no easy task. But waxing it? No way! That takes a whole weekend, right? Nope. When time is the name of the game, use our Wash and Wax. This 2-in-1 solution simplifies your routine without sacrificing results. Its pH-balanced formula extends the life of protective coatings and delivers rich, high-lubricity suds that safely lift away dirt, reducing the risk of wash-induced scratching. At the same time, premium carnauba wax enhances shine, depth, and color, leaving behind a protected, pristine finish. Highly concentrated, just 1 ounce makes a full gallon of wash solution. That's serious value. And trust me, every ounce counts when washing a large RV or boat. Pro tip: when left unwashed and without protection, your gel coat can erode, exposing your fiberglass or FRP to mildew, mold, oxidation, and road contaminants, which over time can cause structural damage. So pair Wash and Wax with our convenient Wash Mop Stick Kit to remove that grime and reinforce your gel coat, so your rig can venture on for years to come. When you want convenience without compromise, grab Wash and Wax for a pristine finish with lasting protection. We hope you found this video helpful and plan to try out Wash and Wax for yourself. Thanks for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.